Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 2020 and I will show you how we can change temperature units. So we can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. So the first we have to go for the home icon and then go for the settings. Next we have to go for the system and pick units. Click on the temperature, and as you can see currently I set up Celsius, but you can change for Fahrenheit by tapping here and take a look when we are going back. As you can see right now, our units of the temperature has changed successfully. So if you want to go back for the Celsius, just go for the system, units, temperature, and go for the Celsius one more time. So yeah, that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.